I'm a shadow of my boy. I want to. Say no, why say the voice, why you can't. Oh, choo 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 choo. Chugga chugga chugga.
Okay, class. Today it's behavior card day. Here are your cards. I got white. Okay, PC guy. Go back to your seat.
Yeah. I got green.
Good job, Mike. You get to go home forever.
What? An orange card?
That's right, Breeze. You get a 2-hour detention, and then you were suspended for 5 days. Go to the office now. Ah man, I got a yellow card. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that, Sean. You will only have detention for 1 hour.
No way. Not a gray card. That's right, Mark. You are in detention forever. Go to the office now. And you too, Lee and Bert. You are in dead meat and expelled and grounded forever.